Petroleum vapors aren't just unpleasant, they pose serious health risks. In auto repair shops, these odors are common, stemming from various automotive fluids. Prolonged exposure can harm both workers and customers, making air purification crucial. Green Ladder offers a range of odor control filters that effectively neutralize and remove harmful vapors. These products, like the Green Matrix flat panel, transform shops into healthier environments, ensuring cleaner air for everyone. Real-world examples show shops revitalized by these solutions. Workers report improved health and satisfaction, while customers enjoy a more pleasant experience. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Implementing odor control not only boosts worker health, but also enhances shop reputation. Cleaner air leads to happier customers and a more inviting atmosphere. Start your journey to a healthier shop with Green Ladder products today.